Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add more columns in your Google Sheets document. So in here, I've already opened my spreadsheet, and it's actually pretty easy. If you want to add more columns in between the existing columns, you can just block the cells or the columns that you want to add. For example, I want to add right next to the C column two more columns in here, so you just need to block these two columns before them and just right click on it. Oops. Okay, right click on it like this and choose to insert two columns to the right. And just like that, the columns will be added like this. But if you want to add more columns in here, you can just do the same like this. Okay, you can see now the columns will be added to this after the fourth semester column. Okay guys, so that's a tutorial from me. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.